In this video, I'll show you how to buy Ticketmaster gift cards. First, open the Ticketmaster website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Gift Cards option at the top menu bar. Here you'll see two options, e-gift cards or physical cards. The buying process is similar for both. For e-gift cards, you'll need to enter the recipient's email address, while for physical cards, you'll need to provide a shipping address. Select the type of gift card you want to buy. If you're buying it for a friend, select the Friend option and enter both your name and your friend's name. If you're buying it for yourself, select For Me and click Send a digital card. Next, enter the amount you want to load onto the gift card. After that, click Add to Cart. If you want to purchase multiple gift cards, click Add another card and repeat the process. You'll see an order summary showing the total amount. If you're buying a gift card for someone else, you'll be prompted to enter their email address. If you're buying it for yourself, this step will be skipped and you'll go directly to checkout. Choose your preferred payment method and click Place My Order. The payment will be processed and the gift card will be sent to the provided email address or mailing address. And that's how you can buy a Ticketmaster gift card.